Never felt so sweet. Never felt so sweet. Dirty loving, never felt so sweet. I know you like the taste, but we go dirty loving, I feel so sweet.
Hello my chickens, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something fun and colorful, and I'm also going to be doing my hair as well because I'm feeling like a very long ponytail today. I just got my hair lightened, so she's a little bit blonder than usual, which I'm very happy about. So this video is sponsored by Zala Hair Extensions. So I'll be showing you how to apply their super long ponytail, which I'm obsessed with. I use all the time. You guys would probably know that if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I'll leave that down below, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here we have the ponytail right in here. It comes in this little plastic sleeve right here, so nothing gets tangled or anything like that. So this is the 22-inch clip-in ponytail extension. So this is what it looks like right here. This one is nice and long, but I didn't want to get the super long one because I feel like this one looks a lot more realistic. When I had super long hair and I'd put my hair up in a ponytail, it would definitely start off a lot thicker and go a little bit thinner. And I feel like that's just what a normal, like, natural ponytail would look like. This one definitely doesn't go thinner, but it isn't just like massively thick where it looks fake, if you know what I mean. So this one is amazing quality and it is so incredibly easy to apply. So I'll show you guys how I do that, but I'll leave the color and like the links and everything down below if you guys are interested, but let's pop it in. Okay, so obviously the first step is to pop my hair up into a ponytail. So obviously you guys can have it super high, you can have it super low. I just got my hair cut shorter and I honestly don't think it'll even stay out this high because I'm gonna have a mullet. Yep. Oh well. I'm just gonna take my hairbrush and brush my hair through. I just washed it today, so it's gonna be super fluffy. This part is super random, but you can just take like an oil or like a hair mousse or anything just to like slick the little flyaways back. I personally use moisturizer. No, I'm not recommending that, but I'm really not overly into like hair products. It's literally just like this ponytail and like that's it. I just like to run this all the way around my head and it just like slicks all those little baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna take a comb and brush my hair into place once more. Separate that moisturizer, you know? Now just taking a hair tie, I'm taking one that's like very sturdy because this has to be nice and tight so the extension can really hold on tight underneath it. Woo! It's like a free facelift. Okay, so now I'm just... Oh my god, my lights are flickering because I just turned my straightener on. Wow. Okay, so before my lights turn off... Oh my god, I swear to god, if something blows up, I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna go through and brush my ponytail and just go over it with the straightener. I just got a new straightener, I'm very happy. You guys can obviously like curl it, you can literally style it so many different ways. You can put like a low ponytail or a really high ponytail. Sometimes I even like to do like a massive bun with a ponytail because I don't have a lot of hair, so it's always great to have this extra little bit of hair. You know what I mean? All right, so this is my pony before. It's kind of cute, but it's kind of not, you know what I mean? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take this little clip right here and I'm gonna place this right underneath my ponytail. That way it's not gonna move at all. So that's why I did it nice and tight. So this clip is like very secure. All right, let's do it. So it just sits right underneath there. And then with the end of the ponytail weft, I'm just gonna wrap that underneath my ponytail. And then there's a little bit of Velcro underneath here. So I'm just gonna literally wrap that underneath the ponytail. Just wrap it right underneath and it kind of just Velcros straight on. It's honestly so easy, it's great. And then I'm just gonna take this little bit of hair and wrap this all the way around where you'd put a hair tie, and it's gonna hide that extension right there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with a bobby pin and just pin this little piece of hair down right here, just so everything is secure. Stays in place. So what's amazing about this ponytail is that you can't even see the hair because it's literally wrapped in the middle of the pony. I mean, if you're out really drunk and you like swing your hair around, like maybe it'll peek out a tiny bit, but for the most part, it is super seamless. Hair's done, obsessed with it. Let's move on to the makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Models Prefer Saltwater palette. This is such a pretty color range. I'm excited to use this. I've never used it before. I just primed my eyes, so we can go straight in. I'm gonna take the shade Oasis, this beautiful deep blue right here, and I'm just gonna take that on a blending brush in my crease. I really hope that this is pigmented, guys. I'm kind of just gonna pack this in my crease. Just here. I'm honestly just trying to match my jumper. I'm very excited. The next palette that I'm gonna go with is BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. It looks like this, and I'm gonna take the shade Palooza. Palooza? This one right here. Nice light blue. And I'm just gonna run this right above that last color that we put, just to blend out the edges. It's looking very crazy right now, so what I'm gonna do is clean up the edges of the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and just open it up and just use this little corner right here. What I'm gonna do now is go in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Glitter Glue, and I'm just gonna pack this all over the lid, and then I'm gonna go in with a pigment. I'm gonna take this up into my crease slightly as well. For the pigment, I'm taking this Fenty Beauty. This is the all over metallic powder in the shade Glacier Gang. This is a beautiful royal blue shade. I haven't used these yet. I actually haven't used much of Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna start blending this upwards so it blends into that crease color. Okay, it's looking very crazy right now. I can't wait to put some lashes on. So the next step is to go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. So I'm just going to do a bit of a glitter cut crease type of thing. Michael's calling me. I'm ignoring him. Goodbye. I'm going to go in with these lashes from Lily Lashes. These are in the style Cans. They're super fluffy and long. I'm also going to put on mascara on these as well. Let's move on to the foundation. I'm going to go in with this one from Dior. This one is the Dior Backstage Face and Body I have the hiccups, I'm so sorry. Face and Body Foundation in the shade 3W0. I used this the other day and I really loved it. Oh my god, these hiccups are gonna be pissing me off. I'm just gonna go straight onto the bristles. Why not? The last bit. This brush is so good at applying foundation. I die. Now it's time for concealer. I'm going in with the Revolution Concealer in Define. I'm not actually sure if this is good, but Michael said it was, so I'm hoping that he's not talking shit. Oh my god, I didn't wear a beauty blender, so I just have to use this little baby one. I feel like it's lifting all of my foundation. I just had to go in with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape because it wasn't really amazing. I needed something very high coverage because it was like blue under there. So to set that down, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake Easy Bake Loosing Baking Powder. Love that. Just gonna pop this right underneath the eyes. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even explain that smell to you. I think that's like one of my favorite perfumes actually. I don't know what one it is though. Now I'm gonna go in with the Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder in the shade Darkest Brown, just because I really need to add a little bit of extra coverage because my skin's looking pretty bad at the moment. So I'm just gonna pat this over my whole face. Let's finish off underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Oasis and I'm gonna put this really close to the lash line, and then I'll take the lighter shade and blend that out underneath. I'm just gonna use the same brushes that I used on the lids. Could you imagine if I wore this clubbing? Hi, I'm here. So dramatic. I'm actually so excited for bronzer because I feel like we really need to add some color to the face because it's literally just eyes. It's just blue eyes. So I'm going with this Ofra bronzer in the shade Bronzing Gold. I used to love this so much, wow. I'm just gonna take a little angled brush and I'm gonna start contouring. I don't know why I have such massive breakouts on my face at the moment. Actually, not gonna lie, I think I do know why. I'm pretty sure it's because I had a thick shake on the weekend and alcohol. That was not fun. I mean, it was fun at the time, but dealing with it now isn't fun. For the blush, I'm going with this Tarte blush in the shade Fairy Flash. This looks like something that's just gonna like match kind of like any look. So I'm just gonna take a bit of this on the apples of my cheeks, just to add a bit more color. That's actually really pretty. Oh my God, my chair, I swear to God. I'm gonna put it through the window. Then for highlight, I'm taking this one from Physicians Formula. This is a butter highlight in the shade Champagne. It looks like a beautiful gold shade. I'm actually excited. Welly. Love trying new highlighters. Ooh. Wow, that is thick as. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going in with the Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade 10 Adorable. I love this one. It's super affordable as well. And it smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and add all of the jewelry. Gotta dress this up, hun. Because I am wearing a hoodie after all. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on as well. Okay, so the gloss that I'm gonna be wearing is from Dose of Colors in the shade Can You Not. I'm just gonna pop this all over the lips. Oh, it looks like more of a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna go on with this one from Marc Jacobs instead. Hopefully, yeah, this is a gloss. Oh, that's better. Oh, this smells like mint. Wow. Okay guys, so here we have the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not sure if I'm obsessed with it. I definitely brought the blue up too high, but it was still really fun to like play around with some different products and stuff. And all the products in this video were actually incredible. So I'm very, very happy. As I said at the start of this video, make sure you... I don't even know what I was gonna say. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget the extension links are down below if you guys are interested in getting a nice long pony. Oh my God, I'm seriously so obsessed. Look at this. That is amazing. It honestly looks like my real hair. Like, I'm so happy with it. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.